Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to turn off save video option on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, we are going to know that how to turn off save video on TikTok. You have to click on the TikTok app. Now you can see here option of share video and click now there is no option of save video here. It means they are turning this off. Then how you can turn off on your account? Click on the profile, click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner, click on settings and privacy. Now click on the privacy and scroll this bar. You can see here option of downloads, or you can see here option of save video. When you click on this, then it is going to be switch on. No, all your followers, your friends can save your video. When you get it turn off, your video will cannot be saved. And if your account is not public, your account is private, in this case no one can save your video. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.